In this video, I'll be giving you some information on what is an empathy map. So, as a business analyst or product owner or a product manager, you definitely need to understand your customers well in order to provide a good solution. So, this empathy map is a great tool that can be used to enable you to understand customers more. So, this is what we'll be looking at in this video. It's a short video on what is an empathy map and what is the template of an empathy map. So, let's get into it. So, an empathy map is a tool used to have a full understanding of the user or customer segments, which is nothing but the persona you are trying to handle or the persona you are trying to identify and understand more, for whom you are trying to provide a solution. So, why do we actually create this empathy map? Is to understand the end user or the persona well so that we can provide the best and optimal solution. So now you must be thinking, why is this empathy map really important? It's very important because this takes us back to the skill or value that a business analyst or product manager owner should have, which is empathy. You need to be able to empathize with the customers and the clients because they are coming in with their problems and they are seeking a solution from you. You cannot just throw in what you might feel might be helpful to them. You should not do that. First, understand what is actually troubling them. What is the actual problem they are facing? What is the core of every problem they are facing? Only then you would be able to take the right decision and provide a solution. So you are not just delivering requirements. Anyone can deliver requirements. If you tell anyone to put a filter in a particular page, they will do it. You needn't be a business analyst to do that. Okay, a developer, I've come across developers also who can handle these tasks. Where the business analyst value or the product owner value comes in is when they are able to empathize with the customer, understand what is the problem they are facing, and provide a value and solution to them. Only when you understand them and empathize with them, you would be able to recommend the best solution and make informed decisions because you understand the client, you understand the user thoroughly on a 360-degree view. You're able to provide and recommend best solutions. So apart from that, customers are going to be happy and they will trust you because they know that you listen to what problems they are facing. They know that you understand them well. Once that happens, trust is also built among the clients or the customers or the persona, and they become happy also. So when you're able to put yourself in their shoes, this is what happens. You'll be able to empathize with them well, you'll be able to understand them well, and you'll also be able to provide a better solution to them. So this is why empathy is very much important. So now coming back to the template of an empathy map. So this is how an empathy map would look like. So whenever you have an interaction with the customer or the client, or you're trying to understand a particular persona and you're going to get information from them, you can use this empathy map. And there are different segments or sections in the empathy map which I will walk you through. The first one is think and feel. This is something that the user or the persona might think or might feel. It can be ideas, emotions, behaviors, etc. The next one is see, what the user or persona sees. For example, it can be websites, promotions, ads, social media, trends, etc. The next section is say and do. What are all the different activities or tasks, okay? Or what are all the different, things that the persona says and does. This is what you need to capture in this section. The next section is hear. What all the information that the persona hears and perceives. So if you see here, it might be what people say to them, what things the user might get influenced by when they hear. So all these are things that you can add in this particular section and capture in this section. The next section is pains. So this is about things user is struggling with, not able to solve, restricting the user or slowing down, etc. So whenever the user comes up and says, I face this difficulty, this is a problem for me, this is something difficult for me, all these comes under pains. And in this pain section, you will be able to find opportunities to provide solutions to them. You'll be able to provide best solutions to relieve them of those pains and problems. The next section is gains. They might tell you, okay, what they might feel that would benefit them. So, things that are going to benefit the user, what value they are seeking from you, what solution they are actually looking for. So, when they tell you that, you need to capture all that over here, because these two sections are something that you need to capture well enough, because pains is something that you can target easily, and you can, it doesn't mean that you have to solve everyone. If they mention like 5 or 6 pains, it doesn't mean that you have to relieve them of all the pains. Sometimes you might be focusing on the key pain and you would provide one solution. So as long as you capture your pain, the customers or the personas pains over here, later on you can prioritize them and you can see which pain you want to target first and provide a solution to. But all I'm coming to say is the pain areas is very important, because there it's that section where you find opportunities to provide a solution. And gains is something that you can validate, saying that if my solution is going to ease them out of this pain, and if it's going to give them a particular gain, then yes, the customer is happy, and we are also providing the right solution to the customer. So this is how you can capture a 360-degree information of personas. So in another video, I'll be giving you an example of what are the different sections and how do you create this empathy map. So you can watch out for that video. But that's it for this video. So if you like this video, please do give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel, and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.